Hello guys, welcome back to another Plus One Keyboard Escape video. In today's video, I'm trying the candy sound effect this game.
Let's go!
If you have any questions to leave them in the comments, I will definitely reply to them. Like this video, subscribe to them channel and press bell icon so you never miss my new videos. Keep going. Don't skip this video. The heads were close.
Let's go. Let's go! Oh my god, I'm doing it! Yes! 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 Nice. Oh my god!
Oh no!
Like and subscribe. Did you like the previous video? Leave your answer in the comments. Can you beat this level? What level are you on? Hey, you played this game before? Could you do this challenge? Do you like the video? Rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. support more and leave a comment. This is my favorite level. Let's finish this. Oh my god! I made it. Thanks for all the support. Don't miss the next video. Peace out.